Hey, welcome to the channel. Southwest Airlines Error Code 5006200411. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to book a flight ticket. Many players reported that even when using flight credits, promo codes, or their rapid rewards card, the booking process fails and shows this error code. According to our research, this error is most likely related to issues with the booking system, browser conflicts, or temporary glitches during the payment process. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try booking again. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using a different browser. Simply open Southwest Airlines on another browser and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Southwest Airlines support directly and request booking over the phone. This way, you can complete your purchase without facing the error. As well as the support team can also provide detail over the error code. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.